Stassi Schroeder shared a pic of Angelina Jolie's long hair as she posed on the red carpet at the Eternals premiere at the Rome Film Festival and asked, "Who is fired right now?" Stassi Schroeder, 33, wasn't afraid to call out Angelina Jolie's hairstylist in charge of her long locks at the Rome Film Festival on October 25. The former Vanderpump Rules star took to her Instagram story and shared a pic of the 46-year-old actress at the Eternals premiere at the festival and called her extensions unblended while seemingly suggesting whoever decided on the look should be fired. Angelina was wearing a long sleeveless silver Versace dress in the snapshot, and her straight hair, which fell down her back, appeared to be two different lengths. "Before I say goodnight, I'd like to know who decided to give this queen unblended extensions," Stassi wrote over the photo. She also drew a purple arrow that pointed to the point where Angelina's real hair seemed to stop and the extensions started. Although Stassi's post is getting a lot of attention, she is not the only one who criticized Angelina's hair at the event. Twitter users also shared tweets about the look. "Where's the loyalty? Who let Angelina Jolie leave the house with these extensions?" One user asked, while another wrote, "The dress is perfection, but did one of the children get angry and take a scissors to her hair in the middle of the night?" Related gallery. Eternals premiere photos: Angelina Jolie, Salma Hayek, Rita Ora and more. A third user talked about the sweet possibility that maybe one of Angelina's 6 children helped with the extensions. "Well, maybe she had one of her kids do the extensions, which is kinda sweet. I doubt a person like Angelina Jolie would hire somebody who's never done extensions before, because this is amateur stuff," the user wrote. Also, "Any publicity is good publicity. Smile, she'll have an answer, I'm sure." Angelina has yet to respond to the criticism of her extensions, but we wouldn't be surprised if she didn't. The talented star has been busy having a very eventful time this past week with the release of Eternals, and has looked stunning at every appearance regardless of her hair in Rome.